There's something tender and terrifying about learning to live alone. At first, it's quiet, painfully quiet. You start noticing the sound of your own footsteps, the way your mug hits the counter, the silence in the room after you close the fridge. You begin to feel the weight of your own presence. It's just you. No background chatter, no one asking how your day was, just space. And yourself. When I first started living alone, I thought it would feel free. And it did, sometimes. But more often, it felt like I was floating, trying to hold conversations in my own mind just to fill the silence. I didn't know if I liked it. I didn't know if I liked me. And that, I think, is what living alone teaches you. It holds up a mirror to who you are when no one's looking. It's not about eating dinner in peace. It's about learning to be your own peace. There were nights when I ate by the window, watching lights flicker across other people's homes. I imagined their lives, full tables, shared laughter, and I wondered if being alone meant I was missing out. But over time, something changed. I stopped romanticizing what I didn't have and started noticing what I did have. There's a kind of sacred rhythm to living alone. You move through your day on your own terms. You start listening to your body, what it craves, when it's tired, when it needs comfort. You begin to decorate your space not for others, but to make yourself feel safe, warm, and at ease. You learn to cook meals just for you, not rushed, not skipped, because you matter enough to feed. You light candles even when no one will see them. You play music that matches your mood. You cry in the kitchen without apology. You dance in the hallway with no one watching. And somewhere in that quiet routine, you realize that you're not really alone. You have yourself. And sometimes that's the hardest and most beautiful relationship to build. Because once you learn to enjoy your own company, you stop needing noise to feel whole. You stop rushing to escape the silence. You begin to understand the difference between being lonely and simply being. Living alone taught me how to be gentle with myself. It taught me how to slow down, to treat dinner like a ceremony, not just a task, to let my home be a soft place to land. So, if you're in this season right now, figuring out how to live with yourself, please know that you are not doing it wrong just because it feels hard. It's okay to feel unsure. It's okay to feel messy and scattered sometimes. But also, let yourself see the beauty. The beauty in the quiet. The beauty in becoming. The beauty in being enough, even when it's just you and your dinner for one. Because maybe that's not loneliness at all. Maybe that's you coming home to yourself.